Greetings and salutations. Right, I needed to jump on and let you know, in case you missed this, right? If you are considering becoming a customer with IM Academy and joining the Ninja team with all the incredible bonuses, the live sessions, all of these incredible indicators that we've designed for you, there is currently an offer that IM Academy are doing, and it is their double rush promo, and they are offering $50 off the initial startup fee to join IM Academy and the Ninja team. So, but that offer was running for only 14 days and it ends on the 20th of November, which is tomorrow. So if you're considering joining us, or if you've been sitting on the fence, this is a great opportunity to grab this deal. This is a really, really good deal, because that $50 could be used for your trading pot. Think about that. You could be trading with it. We can teach you how to trade, because we trade together, we win together, we learn together. That's what the ninjas do. And with our help and support, we will help you learn this skill that will pay you for the rest of your life. So now is the time. Before Christmas hits, let's get you set up. Let's get you learning. Let's get you learning this skill. Let's get you profitable as soon as possible. Take advantage of this. This is your sign. This is your wake-up call to get involved. Okay, so all those sitting on the fence, get off the fence. Grab the link below. Come and check out the Ninja team. Join the team. You get like a money-back guarantee if you don't like it, so don't worry about that. We also offer a 7-day free trial, but to actually join and get going, $50 off at the moment. Do not miss this opportunity. This is your chance. This is your chance to do something for you, to learn a skill. So get off the fence, check out the link, check us out. I'm serious. This is the most incredible thing I've ever done. And it means I don't have to go to work. I can sit at home, I can trade, I can look after my family, I can do all the things that I love, my hobbies, my interests. Please, 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 please do this for yourselves, okay? Put yourselves out there, get out your comfort zones, learn a skill. Believe me, if I can learn how to Forex trade, anybody can, right? Honestly, it's just an amazing skill, and we've got so much help and support. It's unbelievable. So what are you waiting for? There is links below this video. There's going to be places where you can click and get information, or just message me. If we're not Facebook friends, send me a friend request and I will find your message. But please don't miss this deal. We want to welcome you to the team. We want to get you in there. We want to get you into the Ninja team, because you deserve the best. Right. I'll see you in there. Don't forget, links around this video somewhere, or just message me and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks. Have an awesome day.